Hello again. So now I'm gonna set up this potentiometer here as a volume potentiometer to control the volume gain of the radio. All right. So before I jump into it, I just have to show, to avoid some confusion, that I've given some names in this section. You can give names to the pots, to all the potentiometers, switches, streams, even the sticks. You can add names to it. So this is the S2, and the S2 is called vol for volume. All right. So let's go back and let's set it up. So in models, long press as usual, and then we are going back, special functions, and we will create a new special function for the volume control. This is a very quick setup. So we have selected the special function 4. One click to enter on it, to go to it. One click. Let's and here we will choose the function on. Let's look for it. Always on. On. This is what we want for this function, and then to the next one, click again, and then volume, and we will control the volume with the S2, which is called vol. Let's look. Let's see if turning it. Okay, yeah, I've just turned it, and here it is. Okay, click to confirm, and click here to enable the function, and that's it. It's really simple. So special function on volume, the potentiometer you want. So it can be one of these, it can be here, the side ones, it can even be one of these.
Trim center.
One of these.
Trim center.
Okay, let's put the volume down. You see? Now we cannot hear.
Trim center.
Okay, just a little bit.
Trim center. Trim center. Trim center.
It's working. So that's it, and never forget to enable this small square, otherwise it will not work. Okay, that's it for now. See you on the next one. Thank you.